How to earn $500 a week on Snapchat? Well, the process is very simple, so the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store and search for the application Snapchat. Right here, you need to make sure that your application Snapchat is up to date. If not, you need to update the application. Once your application is up to date, head over to the application Snapchat and make sure you are logged into your account. Move into your favorite filter that you want to use, or you can also search for the filter over here. From here, select whichever filter that you want to use. After saving the filters, you need to click the professional photos exactly like this. And once you are done clicking the pictures, head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for phobe.com. It will land you on this interface. Tap on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner and then click on sign in. Right here, tap on register here. You can choose either creator or business account and then enter your active email address right here. Once you have entered your email address, tap on sign up. There you go, the account has been created successfully. Once your account has been created, you can upload the picture that you have taken in this site. And the brand agency or anyone who finds your work outstanding will buy your photo or the video from your Phobe profile. The website will share the half of the profit with you. So that's it, and this is simply how you can earn money on Snapchat. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.